Are you looking to take your leadership skills to the next level? If so, then pay close attention. A career in professional supervision might be just the perfect calling you have been waiting for. Becoming a professional supervisor can indeed be a profitable and fulfilling career path, especially considering the demand for such roles in the UK. With salaries ranging from £21,000 to £25,000 per annum, it's an opportunity that you don't want to miss out. We at Inspire London College offer a Level 6 Diploma in Professional Supervisor Training. Our course is designed to give you all the skills and insights you need to succeed in professional supervision. This is not just a course. It's a door to mastering leadership dynamics, organizational psychology, and best practices in supervision. Imagine a flexible learning journey tailored to accommodate your busy schedule, allowing you to pursue your studies anytime, anywhere. Our team of sophisticated tutors is available 24/7, providing steady guidance and support to ensure you reach your full potential. But here's the final blow. We go beyond mere lectures and note-taking. You will be tested with engaging multiple-choice quizzes, ensuring a profound understanding of every concept. And the crowning achievement? Upon successful completion, you will earn a Level 6 Diploma in Professional Supervisor Training, an endorsed certificate. A tangible testament to your expertise and commitment. So why wait? Avail this opportunity to kickstart a rewarding career in professional supervision today. Enroll now and set out on your journey towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Visit our website and begin your journey towards a fulfilling future.